It's time for letter sounds and words. Remember, we're doing our 3-letter S blends this week. We're still doing long and short vowels too. Here we go. Let's say letter names and sounds. Letter is Q, sound is qua. Letter is P, sound is p. Letter is O, sounds are ah and o. Letter is N, sound is n. Letter is G, sound is g. Letter is M, sound is m. Letter is X, sound is x. Letter is C, sound is k. Letter is V, sound is v. Letter is U, sounds are and u. Letter is D, sound is d. Letter is S, sound is s. Letter is T, sound is t. Letter is A, sounds are a and a. Letter is K, sound is k. Letter is Z, sound is z. Letter is Y, sound is y. Letter is B, sound is b. Letter is H, sound is h. Letter is R, sound is Letter is E, sound is sorry about that. Letter is E, sound is and E. Letter is J, sound is j. Letter is I, sound is I and I. Letter is L, sound is O. Letter is F, sound is f. Letter is W, sound is w. Moving on to our blends, digraphs, and trigraphs. Starting off with our 3-letter S blends. Here we go. SCR, skr, scream. SPL, spull, splash. SPR, spur, spring. SQU, squa, square. STR, stir, strawberry. WH, whale. GL, gull, globe. TR, truck. DR, drum. FR, frog. GR, grasshopper. SN, snake. PH, phone. BR, bread. SP, spoon. PL, pull, play. ST, star. BL, bull, blue. SHR, shrek. SH, sheep. THR, three. SK, skunk. SW, swing. CH, chick. TH, 13. SM, smile. CL, clock. CR, crayons. PR, present. FL, full, flower. TW, 12. SC, scooter. And SL, slide. Okay, we're going to go into our rhymes now. Remember, this week, I'm going to give you 2 words that rhyme. I'm going to pause, and I want you to give me another word that rhymes with those 2. It can be a real word that we know, or it can be a made-up word, but it needs to rhyme. The ending sounds, the middle of the ending sounds need to be the same. After I give a pause, I'm going to give you 2 more examples. Here we go. Fat, splat. Mat, that. Gray, spray. Delay, play. Bread, spread. Tread, head. Square, bear. Stare, care. Squirrel, twirl. Pearl, girl. And king, string, bring, thing. Good job. Let's find that beginning three-letter S blend at the beginning of our word. I'm going to say it and slide it, come back, tell me what the beginning three-letter S blend is. Here we go. Sprint, spur, scrape, skr, square, squa, straw, stir, and splice, spool. Good. I'm going to give you all the sounds in the word. I'm breaking it all the way apart. You got to build it back together and tell me what the word is when I give you the sign. Here we go. Sp, o, ash, splash, squa, eek, squeak, eat, street, each, screech, and urge, splurge. Good. Okay, we're going to find that medial vowel sound, that sound that's in the middle before we go down. It can be the short vowel sound, a, e, I, or it can be the long vowel sounds, a, e, I, o, u. Here we go. Rug, ugh, hat, at, lid, id, mop, op, beg, egg, meat, eat, wide, eyed, huge, huge, you, rope, ope, o, and late, eight, a. Don't be late for the party, you won't get any cake. Okay, I'm gonna say the words, you're gonna pull it apart. Get that gum in there? Strawberry watermelon today. Okay, here we go. Squeal, squeal, squeal. Stream, stream. Splits, splits. Screw, screw. And stretching, stretching. Oh, I'm stretching. Okay, let's change our beginning blend to a new one. Tell me what the word is now. Here we go. Clip. Change coal to dir. Drip. Drug. Change dir to pull. Plug. Blab. Change bull to scab. Shove. Change sh to gull. Glove. Grip. Change gur to stir. Strip. Snack. Change sn to bull. Black. Brick. Change burr to coal. Click. Messed that one up. Spread. Change spur to full. Fled. Plug. Change pull to smug. And flap. Change full to stir. Strap. Good job, you guys. Okay, I'm going to give you the end of the word. I'm going to add a beginning sound. It's going to make a beginning blend. Finish the word off and tell me the whole word is. Resident, add p. President. Lass, add k. Class. Raise, add p. Praise. Cab, add s. Scab. Lean, add k. Clean. Lack, add b. Black. Trap, add s. Strap. Rail, add t. Trail. Rip, add t. Trip. And ride, add b. Bride. Okay, it's time to take away the beginning three-letter S blend and tell me what's left. Here we go. Splash. Take away spull. Ash. Squeak. Take away squaw. Eek. Street. Take away stir. Eat. Screech. Take away skr. Each. And splurge. Take away spull. Urge. Let's finish off with our nursery rhyme. This week it's a tisket, a tasket. Repeat after me, and then at the end we'll practice it all together. Here we go. A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. That's where we'll stop today. Let's say it all together. Here we go. You guys ready? A tisket, a tasket, a green and yellow basket. I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it. We'll keep going tomorrow. Bye.